Number 14, we're going to apply our GEMDOS backwards to try to isolate our absolute value because that's our grouping symbol. I can't get at the W until I break down those grouping symbols. So we have to undo our dividing by -5. So we've got the absolute value of 2 times W plus 8 divided by -5 is less than or equal to a 3. So to get at this absolute value, so I can isolate it by itself, I'm going to have to multiply both sides times a -5. When I multiply by a negative, I'm going to have to reverse the inequality sign, so I'm going to have the absolute value of 2 times W plus 8. That's going to be greater than or equal to a -15. And these are the cases I said we need to be really careful with and interpret. Whenever our absolute value is greater than or less than or equal to a negative, we need to pay special attention to this part right here. So what we said is that absolute values measure distance, and since distance is always measured as a positive, the number that we get out of here is guaranteed to be a positive number. And a positive number will always be greater than or equal to a -15. So it really doesn't matter what we put in for W, it's always going to end up giving us a value that's positive, which will always be greater than 15. So our solution to this is all real numbers, which means if we were to graph the solution on a number line, we would simply make sure that we would include everything on this number line by shading the entire thing. So that one is a case where you could put any number in and it would satisfy the